Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be talking about something little naughty and also exciting. Today I am going to be unboxing this amazing product from MsChief, the playful pioneer in women's wellness. The product is all about empowering women to take charge of their desires. So whether you are single or looking forward to add some spice in your couple life, so let's be real, why should fun and pleasure be limited to only solo moments? Now this can be a complete game changer for the couples who wants to explore intimacy in a new, spicy and exciting way. So if you want to explore what really satisfies you alone and with your partner, stick around because this is gonna be really fun, and trust me, you will want to see what's inside this box. And before we dive into the video, let me talk about MsChief. Now it's just not about creating toys, it's about creating a movement. A movement where women can feel confident exploring her body, her needs and pleasure without any shame. We are living in 2025 and this is the time when we stop tiptoeing around the conversation about self-pleasure and intimacy. MsChief makes products which are not only high quality but are beautifully designed and discreet. And they are redefining what it means to feel good on your own terms. And honestly, who doesn't want to feel empowered in their own skin? So whether you are taking some time out for yourself or exploring new sensation with your partner, the brand is all about making pleasure fun, easy and totally normal. Now I believe we are on the same page. Now let's find out what's in here. So guys, this comes up in this very beautiful cardboard box, and so once you open it, you guys will be able to see the manual to see how this thing works. And look at this beauty. Stunning, right? And also it has a cable to charge it up. Look at the sleek packaging, simple, elegant and totally discreet. You can leave this on your dresser and no one would have a clue what's inside. But honestly, once you open it, you would want to show it off. The first thing I notice is the quality. This feels so luxurious and the texture is chef's kiss. MsChief definitely knows how to mix style with function. Let's take a closer look at this beauty. The design is so sleek and modern. I mean, you could easily mistake this for a fancy skincare tool or some high-tech gadget. And guys, the best part about the product is that it's made for solo fun and also for the couples. Now let's get into some good stuff because this is just not about pretty face. It has a lot of features. The first one is multiple vibration modes. So whether you are into gentle buzzes or powerful pulses, this little wonder has you covered. It has got 10 different settings which consist of 10 different patterns and 5 speed settings ranging from slow and teasing to intense and rhythmic. Play around with the different modes to find exactly what works for you. Or better yet, let your partner switch things and excite you. It is made from super soft, body-safe silicone, easy to clean and feels absolutely amazing against your skin. And it has whisper quiet motor. Perfect for those who want to keep things on the down low. You get all the pleasure without the noise. Sneaky, right? So whether you are using it alone or incorporating this in the couple play, discretion is the key. Now, waterproof design. Yes, you can take this baby into the shower bath for some steamy solo session or a sensual bedtime experience with your partner. Just another excuse to indulge in some you die or both of you dying. Next is USB rechargeable. No more scrambling for batteries, just plug it in, charge it up. You are good to go for hours of fun. It takes about 90 minutes to fully charge, giving you up to 2 hours of continuous play. The LED indicator even lets you know when it's ready to use. It's very easy to use and store as well. The power button is conveniently placed, making it super easy to switch on and off. Now, next up, let me tell you how to clean and store. This is also gonna be supremely easy. After use, simply wash it with warm water and mild soap. Make sure to dry it completely before storing it in a pouch to keep it hygienic and ready for the next time. Next up guys, I personally advise you to use with a water-based lube. Now for the best experience, use a water-based lubricant to enhance comfort and pleasure. It makes everything smoother, more enjoyable and totally effortless. And guys, I love how MsChief is just not about selling a product, it's about starting a conversation, exploring your pleasure with solo or with your partner. This is something not to feel ashamed about, but this is something to embrace. And with a product like this, it makes the whole thing very exciting. So if you have ever been hesitant about diving into the world of self-pleasure or trying out something new in your relationship, I honestly cannot recommend MsChief enough. The products are beginners friendly and powerful enough for those who knows exactly what they're looking for. So if you're ready to claim your pleasure and explore what makes you feel amazing, do check out MsChief. So from sleek vibrators to sensual body care, they have thoughtfully designed the products which brings you comfort, confidence and very satisfying experience. And guess what? Shopping is 100% discreet with secure checkout and ultra private packaging because your pleasure is your business. So why wait? Step into the world of self-love and sensual discovery and your pleasure game will never be the same. I'll leave the product link in the description box below and I would love to hear your thoughts. Let me know in the comments down below if you have used any product from MsChief before and if you're thinking to start your own self-pleasure journey. I would love to hear your thoughts. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and till then, stay fabulous, take care of yourself. I love you all so much.